Deep within sustainable forests, the journey of oak begins providing the raw material for craftsmanship. Giant feller bunchers begin the precision harvesting of oak trees in sustainable forest. Giant oak logs begin their journey transported by a fleet of modern trucks to the sawmill. Massive oak logs arrive at the sawmill, beginning their journey into finely crafted products. Powerful electromagnets securely grip the logs, lifting them effortlessly from the truck. From a climate-controlled cabin, the crane operator ensures flawless and safe log placement. Giant oak logs are fed into a colossal machine, beginning their transformation. Powerful automation violently strips bark, revealing clean, raw oak wood. The debarker efficiently prepares the logs, revealing their pristine core. Flawlessly stripped of bark, the oak logs are now ready for precision cutting. This impressive machinery ensures efficiency, preparing logs for their next purpose. Advanced scanning systems now meticulously analyze each log, preparing it for optimal processing. Every contour and imperfection is mapped with unparalleled precision, ensuring material efficiency. This precision engineering maximizes yield, minimizing waste for every precious log. With each log scan, the system learns and refines, becoming ever more efficient. Enjoyed the video? Hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more. Precise scans guide colossal blades, turning raw timber into valuable cants. Advanced technology ensures every cut maximizes yield and quality. In the heart of the sawmill, giant machines transform raw timber with incredible power. Once cut, the cants move seamlessly to the next stage of production. Seasoned oak cants begin their journey transformed into components for fine wine barrels and humble matchsticks. Powerful saws begin their work transforming raw timber into precise barrel components. Automated planers meticulously refine each piece, creating the ideal surface for barrel construction. Precision machinery imparts the critical curve, shaping each stave perfectly for barrel assembly. These precisely shaped staves ready for assembly are a testament to advanced craftsmanship and technology. Skilled coopers meticulously begin shaping the wine barrels, selecting each oak stave with precision. With practiced efficiency, the initial metal hoop is secured, firmly binding the nascent barrel. The cooper's practiced movements transform individual staves into a robust, elegant barrel form. Final adjustments are made, ensuring every stave contributes to the barrel's ultimate strength and form. Partially formed barrels enter the steam chamber, preparing for their transformation. Powerful hydraulic clamps meticulously bend the staves, shaping them into their iconic form. With precision and immense force, the machines sculpt the distinct barrel curve. Enjoyed the video? Hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more. The newly formed barrel exits the station, ready for its next stage of craftsmanship. Oak barrels begin their transformation, toasted by precise flames for distinct flavors. Skilled factory workers monitor the toasting, ensuring consistent quality. The intense heat transforms the oak, developing crucial aromas and flavors. The toasting and charring floor is a symphony of technology and controlled fire. Each barrel's oak wood is carefully selected for quality, ensuring perfect toasting. Rows of barrels undergo meticulous toasting, each destined for fine wines. Once toasted, each barrel is ready to begin its journey to age fine wines. Advanced robotics seamlessly fit galvanized steel hoops, who are commencing the meticulous barrel assembly. With all hoops firmly in place, the oak barrels are structurally complete and ready for the next stage. Laser precision ensures every barrel head is crafted with impeccable dimensions for a perfect fit. Once fitted, advanced automation ensures each barrel head is securely sealed for optimal performance. The final touch, an automated drill creates the bung hole, completing the barrel's intricate structure. This sophisticated automated line efficiently transforms raw oak into perfectly finished wine barrels. These carefully selected oak wood blocks, unsuitable for barrels, now begin their journey to become matchsticks. Before processing, the oak blocks are submerged in a massive soaking tank, preparing them for the delicate art of matchstick creation. The conditioned oak blocks are now fed into a giant advanced peeling lathe, transforming raw material into delicate veneer. Powerful automated lathes precision shape continuous paper-thin sheets of oak veneer from each log. The oak veneer, now a continuous ribbon, is guided by automated systems onto massive spools. Enjoyed the video? Hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more. Each colossal roll of oak veneer represents the raw material for countless wine barrels and matchsticks. Human operators oversee the advanced systems, ensuring flawless production from raw log to finished veneer. From logs to luxurious veneer, this precision process ensures optimal material utilization. Colossal machinery transforms oak wood veneer into countless matchstick splints with astounding speed and precision. A complex array of industrial blades descends, dicing the veneer into millions of matchstick splints with incredible speed. Automation ensures every splint is perfectly uniform, a testament to advanced industrial engineering. The continuous cycle of production showcases peak industrial automation. Countless splints are produced every second, flowing like a river of raw material. From raw veneer to finished splint, The factory exemplifies state-of-the-art manufacturing. Automated precision ensures each oak splint receives vital protective treatments. Sequential vats ensure comprehensive treatment, preparing the wood for its final use. A protective wax coating is applied, enhancing durability and ignitability for future matchsticks. The advanced treatment line prepares these oak splints for their journey to become wine barrels or matchsticks. Precision robotics ensure every handcrafted barrel is perfectly stored. Every barrel finds its designated place, a symphony of automated efficiency. From raw timber to refined storage, automation defines our future. Precision robotics now transform raw splints into perfectly packaged matchboxes. Thousands of boxes are filled with matchsticks, sealed and prepared for distribution every minute. Finally, the iconic striking surface is meticulously applied to each finished matchbox. From a single oak source, two distinct journeys conclude as finished products prepare for transport. The finished products depart a testament to efficiency in the versatile transformation of natural oak. Enjoyed the video? Hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more.